Okay, hey guys,
It's in between us.
so we're gonna be doing the salt challenge. So we have to.
Don't know if we
We're
made
not
it
gonna
up.
swallow it. Okay.
Oh god.
I'm not doing that. Okay.
I'm
I'm gonna do it.
No, you're not.
Okay, fine.
I'm doing my own.
This is how much I got. Oh my gosh.
No, pull some of that out in the trash can.
No.
Only the bottom.
Am I eating it? Yummy. You have it all in your mouth.
That was a very short challenge, but it sucked.
That was the worst thing I've ever put in. I can still taste it.
Yeah, I got
My mouth like burns. Okay. So I hope you enjoy.
Subscribe to me, cause I'm a small channel.
It's Backpack, spelled BAQPAQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then subscribe to Backpack Vlogs, cause
I didn't film this though, so I just filmed a random vlog today.
okay. So I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
And
So
no, you have to do an annotation with my name.
Oh, and this is Ezra's channel right here. Bye.